Power BI gives you the ability to customize your dashboard, allowing you to quickly access the insights that allow you to take the right decision at the right time. So, how do you create the perfect Power BI dashboard for your business? Introducing the SMART way for designing better Power BI dashboards. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let us break it down. First up, be specific. Clearly define the specific goal behind creating the dashboard. What insights are you trying to gain? Who is your audience? Next, make it measurable. Identify the key performance indicators or KPIs that will help you measure the efficacy and the progress. Always remember, it should be achievable. Big plans get big results only when you have the resources to back them up. Make sure that you can achieve the desired dashboard with available data and resources. Be relevant. Make sure that the data and insights provided by your dashboard are relevant to your audience's needs and interests. Lastly, keep it time-bound. Set deadlines for when you expect your Power BI dashboard to be completed. Try to break the entire project into smaller tasks. Never forget to test it thoroughly before deployment. By following the SMART method, you can create a Power BI dashboard that is not only visually appealing but also highly effective in providing valuable insights to your audience. So, what are you waiting for? Start designing your smart Power BI dashboard today.